Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus were both officially unveiled just a day before the start of the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Now, we finally got the devices. So before we show you some comparisons, let's first show you a hands-on review. What's up, Manila? This is Rain of Manila Shaker for the hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy S9. As you can see, it literally looks like the Galaxy S8 that was released last year. But when you look at the back part of the S9, they finally changed the location of the fingerprint scanner, which is now located at the bottom part of the phone, not beside it. The Galaxy S9 features a 5.inch Super AMOLED display that supports QHD Plus resolution 2960 by 1440 pixels. Both phones come with a new kind of coating on the screen that delivers deeper blacks. Also, both smartphones are powered by Exynos 9810 chipset. Though take note that Samsung uses Qualcomm's latest chipset, which is the Snapdragon 845 as the primary chip in some other regions. Also, packed with 64GB of storage and support for microSD card. The S9 comes with a 4GB of RAM and 3000 mAh battery, and features Quick Charge 2.0 and wireless charging. Another good thing about the new Samsung S Duo is the stereo speaker. The S9 and the S9 Plus actually are the first Galaxy phones to have it. Moving on to what we're all excited about, the cameras. The S9's rear camera features a 13-megapixel lens with variable aperture of f-stop 1.5 to f-stop 2.4. The lens is also equipped with optical image stabilization and dual-pixel autofocus. For taking selfies, both come with 8-megapixel camera. It captures bright and vibrant photos and staying true to the natural color of the subject. Also, takes amazing photo results even in low lighting. It also comes with fun and exciting camera features. Our favorites are the AR emoji and the slow-mo camera. Samsung's AR emoji definitely kicks out the iPhone's Animoji. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S9 is identical to the S8 from last year, except for the fortunate change of the fingerprint scanner placement. It features great camera, loud stereo speakers, both are water resistant, supports wireless charging, comes with fun features like AR emoji and slow-mo camera, and has a very impressive performance. However, it comes with a very expensive price tag. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be available starting on March 16, 2018 and will be offered in midnight black, coral blue, and the new lilac purple. The Samsung Galaxy S9 can be purchased for a very expensive price of 45,990 pesos. What do you think? Will you get yourself a Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus? Tell us in the comments below. Like if you loved the video and subscribe if you want to see more. This has been Rain of Manila Shaker. Thank you for watching. And oh, stay tuned for some comparisons.